Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me on a Sale-a-bration Spotlight Day. Today I have some fun Sale-a-bration products to share with you, and something that you might have missed in the original Sale-a-bration booklet. And I have to say I've missed these as well, and they arrived in my craft room this week, and I thought I would open the pack on camera for you. So this is the Mixed Medallions Card Kit. And it's here, it's on the same page as a beautiful peacock, and I think that's probably why people have missed it, because they're focusing on this bit and not this here. So this kit makes 8 trifold cards, 4 of each of 2 designs, and everything is in the kit for you. So there are card bases and envelopes, there's even some adhesive I can see as well. So I'm going to rip into this package and get everything out. So we've got some kind of mini glue dots on a strip. We have got a pack of die cuts, and this is kind of, instead of stamping, we have got pre-printed sentiments on here, and they're in our 3 languages, so that they are in English, French and German, so it doesn't matter where you are in Europe, you can still use this kit. And I think it would be lovely actually to send some with mercy on rather than thank you. Excuse my horrendous French accent. I did do French at school, and I got a B at GCSE French actually, and I don't quite know how. So we have got 4 trifold cards, and actually these are more than trifold for me, because for me a trifold card is just that, it's just the gate. But these actually have a fun flap as well. So if I just fold those up, so that's the kind of front of the card, and then they've got this kind of panel that folds up, so your note can go in there, and it still looks cute. You're not going to see that through there. I think that's really, really fun. So we've got some in Berry Burst and some in Sahara Sand, I think. Let me just check. If you've never picked up one of our Stampin' Up catalogues, they usually, and this one is exactly the same, have the colours underneath so that you can coordinate your products. So this card kit is Berry Burst, Calypso Coral, Sahara Sand and White, which I think is true. That is Berry Burst and Sahara Sand. So we're going to move the other cards out of the way. We've also got the fabulous envelopes, and they are very similar to our standard envelopes. Let me grab one of our standard envelopes out. So that's a standard white envelope, and these are a little bit shorter because I think they're more of the American card size. So they are, yeah, they're designed for a card that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is not the card size we kind of just traditionally make here in Europe, but they are super handy. So these cards will be really, really quick to put together. As always with Stampin' Up card kits, you do get an instruction booklet, and this is big just because it comes in a big pack, and it has the kind of written instructions sort of on the you've got your written instructions in different languages. So this one also comes with Japanese instructions, which I think is fun. And actually I had it upside down, so they want you to have it that way, so that I suppose that makes slightly more sense to have the flap going up rather than the flap coming down. So I'm just going to burnish this because it's struggling to stay closed. They are a little bit thinner than our standard cardstock, but they are free. I think that's really cool. I haven't mentioned that yet, that this is completely free. So all of our Sale-a-bration items, which are either in this book or the new purple one, which there it is, which I also have to hand, are completely free. Anything you see in these books is completely free. There are 2 levels for our free goodies this year. You can either, most of them are free with a £45 order, some of them are free with a £90 order, but they're quite clear in the catalogue which ones they are. So just to finish our cute little card, I'm going to pull off some of the pieces. So I've got a little scallop circle and one of the thank you sentiment pieces, and I think I'm just going to pull off some of the flowers as well. these are really, really sweet. Look at those, and then I think I'll have one in Sahara Sand too. There we are. And you could use the little adhesive glue dotty things. I think I'm going to go for my traditional snail adhesive just because they're a bit fiddly. So, oh, I've got a glue dot on my thumb now. So, that's how these work. You have to put the glue dot on your thumb and then it can stick, apparently. So, a bit of adhesive on the back of our sentiment, and we're going to layer that up onto that cute little scallop circle. I'm going to pop a dimensional, I think, on the back. Now, I'm currently using up the side pieces of my dimensionals, but you could use a proper one. I just haven't got any to hand at the moment. I need to go into my spares drawer and pull them all out. So I'm going to just kind of pop that on there like that. Bit of snail on the back of that flower there, and on the back of that one there, and you have a really quick and easy, really super cute little thank you card. Aren't they adorable? Love those. So if you want to get the Medallions Card Kit, don't forget they are free during Sale-a-bration, free with a £45 order. As always, you can place that order via my online store. Link is in the down bar below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.